In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize all letters in Google Docs. This is a handy skill to master, whether you're working on a document for school, writing a professional report, or simply want to ensure uniformity in your text's appearance. Let's get started. First things first, we need to select the text that you want to transform into capital letters. If you only want to change a specific section, highlight that portion of the text using your mouse. For those of you who wish to capitalize the entire document, there's a quick trick. Simply press Ctrl and the letter A if you're using a Windows computer, or Command and the letter A if you're on a Mac. This will select everything in your Google Doc effortlessly. Once your text is selected, it's time to navigate up to the Format menu, which you can find in the top bar of your Google Docs screen. Go ahead and click on Format. This menu holds a wealth of options for personalizing your document's appearance, and today, we're focusing on text transformations. After clicking on the Format menu, a drop-down will appear. From here, hover your mouse over text. You'll see several options slide out, offering a variety of text modifications. But for our purpose today, continue to hover over capitalization. As you do this, additional choices will present themselves, allowing you to specify how you want to change your text's appearance in terms of capitalization. Next, you'll want to select uppercase from the options presented. Click on uppercase, and just like that, your selected text transforms with all the letters capitalized. This change happens instantaneously, and you can immediately see how your text appears in the new format. This feature is especially helpful when you've originally typed something in lowercase, or have a mix of cases, but desire a unified uppercase look. A quick tip: if you find uppercase text is not quite what you wanted and you'd like to revert to the original format, or perhaps try another style, simply press Ctrl or Command+Z to undo the last action. Google Docs lets you experiment freely with text transformations, as you can always go back a step if needed. Now you know how to capitalize all letters in your Google Docs. With just a few clicks, you can enhance the appearance of your text. This small change can make a world of difference, ensuring your document stands out precisely how you intend it to. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and happy typing in your beautifully formatted Google Docs.